What's up, guys? Zach with BitcoinLockup.com again, doing another hardware wallet review. And today we are going to look at two hardware wallets actually. This is the DCENT cryptocurrency hardware wallet right here. And they actually sent me also a encrypted card that can be used for giving cryptocurrency to your friends with ERC20 and ERC721 tokens. You can use it to preload up for dApps when that comes about as a more common option. And you can also use it for transacting directly. So we'll take a quick look at this before we jump into the hardware wallet. And what's interesting about this wallet here is it has a wallet address, which is an encrypted QR code here, has a CCEAL5 Plus chip, same as that's used in the Ledger Nano S card. And basically it allows you to preload up any ERC20 tokens, Ethereum directly, and ERC721 tokens. It's NFC enabled, so you can directly hook it up to your smartphone when you download the DCENT app. And it's completely wireless. So as you can see also right here, there's a PIN code for activating it so that you can actually use it. As you can see, that's still intact and not scraped off. But basically this is used for giving away crypto directly to people. And then as soon as they receive it, they can download the DCENT app, tap it to connect, and it will actually connect and you can use it as gifts. So that's the most common use case, but this is actually pretty cool. I haven't seen any other crypto cards that have been able to do this via NFC and a wireless connection yet. So thought that was pretty interesting. They sent me that as well. So we're gonna go ahead and take a quick look here at the DCENT cryptocurrency hardware wallet. So one of the interesting things about this particular wallet is it is biometric. So basically it's all fingerprint enabled. So you have an extra step of authentication, and it is a wireless and it is a Bluetooth wallet. Holds all the major crypto coins, and basically it's just completely wireless. So very interesting. So I think this is directly trying to compete with the Ledger Nano X wallet that's currently out there right now. But let's open it up and take a quick look and see what's inside here. As you can see, the packaging is actually pretty nice, pretty well done. And they do have some tamper evident seals, which I haven't been seeing on a lot of the crypto wallets lately. So pretty interesting. Let's go ahead and take a quick look here. Break the seal, no refunds given if seal is broken. Interesting, okay. So pretty good here. Okay, so it comes with a pretty nice card. Just gives you a quick getting started guide, how to set it up, backing it up with your recovery seeds, and then how to set it up with Bluetooth and activating your PIN code. And in the next video, I'm going to go ahead and show you actually a tutorial on how to set this up and how to use it, but we're just going to take a quick look at what's inside here. Pretty nice presentation with the box. Comes with very nice foam here, and it's actually really, really nice. I'm going to peel off the plastic here. It's always fun to do. It's all fresh. Oh. So this is a pretty small, but it also feels very sturdy, very high quality materials, premium security. It has some brushed stainless steel here, and it has a micro USB cord here for charging. Since it is a wireless wallet, you use it with the DCENT app directly to set it up. And as you can see, for navigation, there is a full D-pad for going back, doing OK, and then up and down for navigation. And then here in the center is the fingerprint sensor. There's a button on the side here. Let's see if it has any juice out of the box. Pretty sleek looking screen here. And then as you can go through and choose your language, go through and create a wallet. We're not going to do that directly here right now, only because it has a little bit of juice, but I just wanted you to see how this wallet looks coming out of the box. And so far I'm pretty impressed with the presentation here. Single button usage, single port. And I'm pretty interested to see in the next video how the fingerprint authentication works. So pretty interesting there. Let's see what else it comes with here. Very nice packaging here. Comes with a pretty in-depth user guide. I think this is a Korean company, so a lot of the instructions are either in English or in Korean. So pretty thorough here. Comes with the recovery seed card, 24-word phrase. I see a lot of these coming with multiple cards, but for some reason they opted only to keep one card in here. So make sure you don't make any mistakes, or go ahead and get the Kobo tablet, as I mentioned in the other video, to really protect your recovery seed from everything, all the elements. So pretty interesting. It's nice card stock, quality material. And then all that's left here is your charger for USB. So you can hook this up and charge the wallet. And then in the next video, I'm gonna go ahead and download the app and set this up and make a test transaction for you guys. But so far, I'm pretty impressed with the presentation. The overall security that they have in the box is pretty good. It feels pretty small, but also very sturdy, like I mentioned. So kind of feels like one of those nice car key fob things. So pretty interesting. Stay tuned for the next video, and we're going to do a full in-depth review and tutorial of this wallet. But so far, I'm pretty impressed with how everything is presented here, and stay tuned for the next one. We'll take a look. Thanks.